Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today's vlog is very exciting because firstly I'm running late. Nothing new here. So today's vlog is actually super exciting because in a minute, when I do actually leave my house, I'm off to see Sophie Louise and Jazz for a sleepover, which is really exciting because I haven't seen them in a while. Well, I've seen Jazz, but we haven't, the three of us, been together in quite a while, so I'm really excited for that, and we've got quite a few fun activities planned. Also, this vlog is actually in collaboration with Canon, which is really exciting because they've launched this really cute miniature printer, which is called the Zoemini, and you can connect this to your phone, print out pictures, so it's pretty much the perfect little printer if you're going to a sleepover and you want to print some photos, or if you're going to a party, or if you want to make a birthday card, or if you're into scrapbooking. Pretty much anything where you want to print some pictures really easily by connecting this to your phone. That's what this is for, so I will be showing you guys more about this and digging into the box later and explaining how it works and everything. But first I need to actually set off because I'm running late, so I'll catch you guys when I'm there. So I've just packed up all of my stuff. I've got all my sleepover essentials. I've got my PJs, slippers, my makeup bag and like toiletries and stuff. I've got the Canon Zoemini and then the refills, which are what you use for printing, and then I've got some face masks over here, so I'm just gonna zip this up and then quickly head out the door. Okay, so I am here with Jazz.
Sorry, I'm painting my nails.
She's painting her nails. And Sophie is here as well. I love your new hair, by the way. It looks so nice. I think in a bit we're gonna go out and get some food, but I literally just got here and thought I better say that I'm actually here because I don't know, I haven't actually updated you guys at all on the journey because I thought I would just focus on the driving. So if we do go out for lunch, I will bring you guys with me, obviously. I'm actually pretty hungry. Are you guys hungry? Yeah, okay, we'll probably go soon because I think it's like, what even is the time?
Coming up to 2?
Yeah, it's like 20 to 2, so time for lunch soon, please. So I've just got the Canon Zoemini printer out of the box. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it's really small. It's like, it fits in my hand. And it's super simple to set up. You literally just have a cable here, and then this is the paper, and then, well, the zinc paper. I think zinc stands for zero ink. So you put this in here, and then it prints out on these sheets. And this is just how you set it up. You literally plug it into charge, which I'm gonna have to do in a second because I didn't charge it before I came out. And then I've also got to put this in there. And then it does come with 10 sheets, but then I've got another 20 just in case we go over. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on charge quickly before we go out for lunch. Just before we go, I thought I would do a little test print, and it seems to be working. Oh, here we come, guys.
Oh, that's cute. Those colours are so nice. Yeah.
Ooh.
That's so cute.
That is actually so cute. So this is what the print turned out like. Oh, you can see us in the reflection. And then you can take these and you can stick them on things. You just peel off the back of it, and then you can stick this on, I could stick it on here, or you could stick it on a notepad or your laptop or a mirror or a scrapbook. Pretty much anywhere where you want to stick a picture, you can do that. So we're just off for lunch. The others are just sitting behind me here. I'm going to take this with me so I can show you guys how you can print stuff when you're out and about, because it's wireless, portable, Bluetooth connecting and all of that. So I'm just going to put it in my bag, and then we are off to lunch. So we've come out for food. I'm next to Jazz on this side, and then Soph on this side.
I'm quite far away from you, actually.
Yeah, you are quite far away. We've just got our drinks and we're waiting for our food to get here, but I just thought I would show you guys how you can connect your phone to the Zoemini and you print stuff while you're out and about. So that is what I'm going to do now. Okay, right, so to turn it on, you literally just hold down this button for a few seconds, and then the white light comes on, and then I've just opened up the Canon mini print app. And then you just pick whatever picture you like. I'm just gonna pick a random Instagram one, I think. Okay, so I've just gone for this picture here. You can change the size of it or move it around, and then you can also add a border. So I think I'm gonna go for this one here. Cute little clouds. You can add text as well if you want. You can add emojis, and then all you literally do is just press the print button, and then it sends it to the printer right here, and it just comes out the bottom. Oh, it's coming. Yay! Okay, and then when it's done, you don't have to rip it off or anything. It literally just comes straight out. And this is my cute little image. So I didn't actually vlog the food because we were so hungry that we just ate. But we finished our food now, and wait, let me turn this around. We finished our food, and I think now, what's the plan? What are we gonna bake? We're gonna bake something.
Cupcakes and cookies. Let's do 2.
Oh, okay, that's a bit ambitious. So we're just in the car on the way to go to the supermarket to get some ingredients for our baking. And I was just asking Sophie and Jazz where a good place is to go on a date. Jazz said, maybe you could go skiing? As if there's just a ski slope just nearby where we could just go skiing. Okay, so we're just going to the shop quickly to pick up some stuff for our baking, and I think we're gonna do cupcakes and cookies.
Yeah,
we're gonna see what they have.
Biscuits, so we can decorate them with icing.
Okay, right, these are our options. What are we thinking, guys?
Oh, we could make a gingerbread house.
We could, I mean, they do have skeleton. Oh no, wait, that's shortbread. Oh my god, they've got mug cakes. My fave. So we've just picked up all the ingredients that we need for our baking. After much deliberation, we have decided to go for brownies, and then we're also going to decorate some biscuits. So it's going to be interesting. Are you guys any good at baking?
No.
Okay.
No.
This should be fun. Okay, so we're back at home. Hello. We've changed into our PJs and we're about to start baking. I think, yeah, the time is 6 o'clock. I'm not sure how it's so late. We've just kind of been like chatting and doing other stuff, and obviously we went to get the ingredients, but yeah, we're about to bake brownies and decorate some cookies. So
they're really good brownies.
Yeah, I've been told they're really delicious, so I hope they're nice. Oh, and here's Soph, she's also in her pajamas.
Still here. This is my house.
We're still in her house. Okay, right, let's go. We're pouring the mix in. Jazz is cracking it. That was very bold. Did we get any shell?
No. Why have we got a shell?
Ooh,
That's so nice.
That's a lot of mixture.
Whoa.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
And then wait, what do we need? We need
oil and
40
water.
millilitres of vegetable oil and 75 ml of water. Although we only have, what is this?
80.
80. Well, that's great. Oh wait, we can do half of that, and then for the other one we'll just go a little bit under.
Yeah, I'll do half of this.
Okay, right.
I'm guessing olive oil is okay.
Yeah, it'll be fine. Yeah, that's about half, I think. We've also discovered that we don't have a whisk, so we're using a fork.
This is the easiest cake mix, and we failed at every stage.
It's quite a lot harder than it looks. Okay, after a lot of hard work, we managed to mix it with the fork, and we're just gonna chuck it all in here and put it in the oven, and hopefully it will work.
It is thick.
It is thick.
So he's getting biscuits out.
What am I doing? How
I don't know. I don't know. We've got sprinkles.
Okay.
Although I haven't fully unwrapped them.
Might be a start.
Yes, please.
I don't know how much icing to use. This is gonna make such a mess.
Oh.
Is that enough? Oh, look at that perfectly. Look at that perfectly decorated biscuit.
Cute.
That actually does look cute.
They
It
do
looks
look
like
quite
something you get in a shop.
That's a bit of a stretch. But sure. Can we just look at how perfectly Jazz has iced her biscuits? Look at hers compared to mine. Oh, Sophie, you've done such a good job as well. Now mine looks so bad. Oh, that was quite a lot. Okay, this is the current situation. Let me know down below whose biscuit wins. These are mine, these are Soph's, and these are Jazz's. I think we all know who's the winner. So just quickly, I forgot to mention earlier, while the brownies are baking, there is actually a giveaway going on in this video. So if you guys want a chance to win one of the Canon Zoemini printers, leave a comment down below letting us know where you would use the Canon Zoemini printer and what you would use it for. Let us know down there, and then I'll pick one of you at random to win one. I decided on this filter which had all the sprinkles on it because we had sprinkles on our cookies, and I'm just going to print this out. Yay! Oh, look at us with our biscuits. Just so we stop getting confused whose is whose, I'm sticking a picture of my face onto my printer.
Oh, that came off nice.
I know! Oh, this is gonna be so not straight. I'm just gonna
purposely do it wrong.
Yeah, okay, I'm purposely doing it wrong.
Yeah, that looks cute. Yes!
Perfect. Okay, I've also just noticed that on the editing option, you can increase the brightness and contrast and all of that stuff. So if your picture's a little bit dark, like this one, you can just up the brightness, or you can do the contrast. Oh, and then this one's saturation, I think. This smells amazing. I feel like it's nearly done, guys. Okay, right, I think it's ready. I
don't know. It's slightly gooey inside, but we want it to be slightly gooey.
Oh, it's so warm. Oh my goodness, guys, how good do these brownies look? I'm gonna try and scoop one out, but I feel like actually I'll go for this one in the corner.
I hope you like it. I'm hoping you will. Is it good?
Really hot though. Our pizza has arrived, and I mean at the moment we've only got one slice each and then a few chicken nuggets just because we're pretty full from the brownie and the biscuits, but
we had them in the wrong order.
Yeah, we did kind of. We probably should have had pizza and then made brownies, but oh well, we're still gonna enjoy this now. Give this video a thumbs up if you also like pineapple on pizza. Controversial. Okay, the others have just gone to the toilet quickly to remove their makeup, but I'm just gonna sit here and use a makeup wipe to do mine so we can do our face masks. I think that is what we've decided that we're doing. This is literally like a proper sleepover. I haven't done something like this in quite a few years. Oh wow, that's a nice colour.
It's a really pretty one. Oh, that's such a pretty colour.
I'm gonna use my brush as well.
Oh my goodness. I'm so scared that I'm gonna spill this on your white desk.
I'm scared of spilling it on your nice clean carpet. Oh my goodness, it's so cold.
I know, it's so cold. My eyelashes keep getting stuck in the face mask. Oh my god. We look like some superheroes or something.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like, I don't know.
Power Rangers.
Yeah, we literally look like Power Rangers right now. Very nice.
Green one.
And I think we have to wait for these to dry for what, like 20-30 minutes. So we're gonna do that, and I will probably catch up with you guys when we're about to peel them off, because they all peel off once. So
Okay.
see you in a bit. So I can definitely feel this starting to dry now. I feel like if I move my face too much, it's gonna like start to peel off my chin. But just while we're sitting here waiting for our face mask to dry,
Oh no, you just stop thumbsing up. No. Every clip I do a thumb. What is wrong with me?
I just thought I would show you all of the pictures that we've taken today, because they actually turned out so cute. I love this one here with me with the brownies, because I just look way too happy with myself. Yeah, they look so cute, don't they? I don't actually know which one is my favourite.
I like this one.
Yeah, that one's cute
And
as
this
well.
one.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
one's
this one.
that was the first one that we took. I actually really like this one too. But yeah, how cute are these guys? Oh, and obviously there's one on the back of here as well of my face. Okay, so just as I finished vlogging that clip, I realised that I had missed a picture. So I'm just printing out this one of me with my pizza. Okay, here we go. Wait, where should I put it? Let's put it over here. This is pretty much a summary of our sleepover. How cute! Are we gonna be able to see in here to peel them off?
Yeah.
Oh, this
Do you want
feels
something to
so
put it on?
weird.
Ow.
Get it around your mouth.
Oh.
Ow. Ah.
That looks painful.
I can't laugh. Ow. Ow.
This wasn't supposed to happen. Beautiful. Ew, that looks so creepy. It's got your nostrils in it. Look at this. Well, that was fun. Okay guys, so a couple of hours has gone past. It's actually getting quite late now, so I think we're probably gonna head off to sleep. But yeah, obviously we just all like, we've been sitting, I don't know why we're sitting, why am I sitting on the floor when there's a sofa right
Sitting on the floor.
I've only just got up here
Yes,
as well
to be
because my
fair.
mum went no.
Like, we were all just sitting on the floor talking for like hours. But yeah, I think we're gonna head off to bed now. Obviously, as you can see, I've taken all my makeup off. My skin actually looks pretty good after the face mask. But yeah, I really hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. Like I said, I will leave all of the links for the Canon Zoemini down below if you guys want to get your hands on it. And also as well, don't forget to enter the giveaway by letting us know down below where you would use the Zoemini and how you would use it. And yeah, I think that is it. Thank you, Soph, for having us.
It's alright.
And I will see you in the next vlog. Good night.